Hi! We want to tell you about Larry and his experience with SmileFactory in Guatemala. It all started when his dentist diagnosed him in the States. He needed an all-in-4 denture fixed on implants. The quote he was given was so much more than he could afford. He started to feel desperate and time was passing by quickly. A good friend of his mentioned dental tourism. He did not hesitate to look into it. He was able to find a lot of information on the subject.
The only clinic in Guatemala that made me feel safe and comfortable and where I would get my money's worth.
He arrived safely. The drive allowed him to have a look at the modern, wonderful city of Guatemala. Our clinic is equipped with the latest American and German technology in digital dentistry. It has a great atmosphere. A lot of attention is given to details like sterilization, equipment, protocols, and of course, and most importantly, our patients. At SmileFactory, we give our best and always make sure that our patients are well taken care of. You can rest assured that you will be able to communicate yourself, for our doctors speak fluid English, which makes it easy for them to explain the treatment plan. Also, a full set of x-rays and a 3D scan of your mouth is taken to give you a complete explanation of the treatment plan. Our clinic is part of a family-owned dental group with over 85 years of experience in dental industry, and that distributes to other Central American clinics. We own the best dental laboratory in Guatemala, which ensures the promptness and efficiency of all dental work without sacrificing quality. We can assure you that your experience and stay with SmileFactory will be more than pleasant. Our priority is to make your dental trip safe, comfortable, and successful.
The kindness of the staff and their involvement in making sure I had a great time and that all my needs were met was really amazing. And the interest and personalized treatment I was given by the doctors was something I have never seen before. Now I have my life back. I can enjoy myself and my family.